Uphakela umthakathi ubuye nayiphilo ngokufika obekade ehlukumeza abantu ngesibhamu edolobheni lakwaNongoma. Lapha-ke izinkumbi zabantu ade bephelezelene nomthakathi. Kanti-ke inkosazana uJacinta Mangobese Zuma uphendule intatheli ebekade embuza ukuthi ngabe zizwa kanjani ngokuxosha abantu bokufika nalabo abanamaphepha. Emva kwalezo siphathele zona bukele siphathele ngisumlando kwamchunu osehlonzwe njengexuku emva kokuba evunye ukuthi afumbathiswe okuthilele lokwimvala mlomo ukuze ezosetshenziswa ngabahleli bama-Metro Awards akade elisana nabo ukuthi akungangenelwa lo mncintiswano ngenela amabhinqa. Kanti-ke futhi mesibuya laphana naye uphakela umthakathi umfukandabandaba umtshele wekabhoqo uMalema lona obhizi ekade lokho emfaka umunwe esweni ngendaba yokuxosha abantu bokufika. Sikubingelele mbukeli bese siphinde sikwamukela sikhumbuzeke mbukeli thina lapha kwabantu TV1 asifundi zona indaba kodwa sikulethela izindaba kuyizona engakafiki kuwena. Siyathemba ukuthi uyaphila ngasemakhaya. Kanti-ke mbukeli mangabe uzoyithanda le ndlela esikulethela ngayo indaba kusuka namhlanje sicela ukuthi ulike ivideo bese usubscribe ukuthi awungakaze usubscribe. Siqhubeke-ke mbukeli nohlelo lanamhlanje. Soqala la siqale khona-ke mbukeli uma ngabe siqala laphana esihlokweni siqale ngaso lapho khona uphakela umthakathi ebambe okufika osekade ehlupha ngisho online kuma social media ngesibhamu okungowaseCongo ethi uyofa nowase South Africa yena ume ngabe efa okuyile nsizwa ke sikubonisa yona njengamanje. Mbukeli siyathanda ukuthi sikulethele ivideo kavushane lapho khona uphakela umthakathi esebambe oqotshweni lensizwa engayibambanga ngasibhamu engabambanga noxhaka kodwa ifike nje wathi qathatha kuyona ngomnsizwa wakhe. Mbukeli nansi ivideo.
So yikho ubheza ngeyibhamu la. Yikho ubheza ngeyibhamu ukhombisa abantu ibhamu. Yeah, so yikho ngoba kubude ngakini yikho ukukhombisa abantu ibhamu. Yikho abafana bakithi mabefika laphana wena uthatha isishutha nesibhamu la kwaNongoma. Ayazi amaphoyisa. Akuwena lo? Akuwena lo? Akuwena lo? So ufuna uqamba manga ucabanga ukuthi wena ubona ukuthi njengoba singaba lapha kwaNongoma thina sizilima. Kahle into oyibona wena ukuthi njengoba thina silapha kwaNongoma siziphukuphuku. Sesikhulume kangaki nawe from January sikhuluma nawe wena ufuna ukulalela. Sesikhulume nawe from January awufuni ukulalela wena. Hayibo wena sesikhulume nawe from January wena ufuna ukulalela. Wena ubona ukuthi thina siwona amadoda la kwaNongoma. Ubona ukuthi asiwona amadoda. Asiwona amadoda thina uwindoda. Lapho wasuka kuliphi izwe? Wasuka eCongo wena uzopruvela thina ukuthi thina siwona amadoda singamasinda thina. Asiwona amadoda. Why sikuncenga kangaka bafo? Sikuncenga ngenhlonipho. Sithi suka kwaNongoma wena ukushuthe nezibhamu. Amaphoyisa ayasazi lesibhamu. Okay. So wenzela uplomu la zenza. So uye lona ukunikeza ibhamu ethi shutha nazo kanti siyaphathwa yini isibhamu sikumthethweni. Umuntu uyasiphatha isibhamu ongesona sakhe. Uyabona la kwaNongoma wena udlala ngezibhamu la kwaNongoma. Masithi hamba thina ufuna ukuhamba ngoba wena unezibhamu. Uyabona bafuthi uyasedelela thina. Uyabona ukuthi usedelelile ngempela manje. From January sicela kahle singabe nawe singathathi lutho yakho singakukhupha imali. Ikhona imali esake sayithatha ku. Khona into zakhe esake sayithatha. Mina ngake ngafika kuwe ngafika ngakuhlukumeza ngakubamba ngamawashini ngakushaya. Why ungasihloniphi pho baba? Why ungafuni ukuhlonipha? No, weba hamba uyekini. Hamba uyekini ba. Uyezwa yini? Hamba uyekini. Ungashayi uMonday ula kwaNongoma. Hamba uyekini. Ngoba uyabona into oyenzayo. Uzolimazisa abaningi abantu. Uzolimazisa abaningi. Uzolimazisa ngishobona laba ohleli nabo lapha. Uzolimazisa ngishobona laba bakwaNongoma abakusupportayo. Nizolimala. Yekani lento eniyenzayo. KwaNongoma la. Ungaqali uNongoma singamadoda thina la kwaNongoma. Ungaqali uNongoma nentombazana othandana nayo. Ungezwe ngentombazana othandana nayo. lalela thina singamadoda sikhuluma nawe kahle asilwi nawe sithi hamba kwaNongoma wena ulalela intombazana ungaqali iproblem yenu nina bantu bokufika niqala izwe lase South Africa ngamantombazana ningayenzi leyo nto because mawusufa ngeke kuze kube mnandi umfowethu umnyama njengami mase ufa ngeke kube right kodwa sizokwenza njani thina wena mawutest ubudoda bethu wena senze njani thina no hamba uye kini musu ungitshela lento ngitshela wena hamba uye kini ilokho okusimple musu kufaka kodwa nokodwa hamba uye kini ngoba akasikwi nawe kodwa hamba uye test into zakho kuthi ngicela uhambe uyothatha into zakho bafuna uhambe kini ngicela wenze lokho njengamanje ngicela wenze lokho njengamanje ngiyacela wenze leyo nto njengamanje uyangizwa baba uyangibona ukuthi ngisikazi ngiyacela because wena kahle njengamanje usutest ubudoda bethu ke manje yabo kuyeke lokho kwenzayo ngiyakutshela bo kuyeke lokho kwenzayo
kwi-comment section mbukelo siyobhala ukuthi ngabe wena uthini na ngalensizwa uyayazi na kuthini kwakho ukuphawula siyabazi ke abokufika njengoba kuphushwa umkhankaso wemarch and march lapho kuthiwa khona abokufika ababuyisele emakhaya njengoba nophakela umthakathi seziwangenelela lo mkhankaso awuqale lapha edolobheni langakubo abokufika besibona ke lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana mangabe bebona amanye amaclip abo ophakela umthakathi no march and march no Dudula bethi asihambi la namhlanje insizwa lena ekade uyibona mbukeli batshele kwekabhoqa ukuthi cha ndoda musa ukuxolisa wena thatha okungokwakho ufike nakho ubuyele ngasekhaya kuqhutshwa wona njalo umkhankaso ukuthi abahambe njengoba njena kungathathwa story kulensizwa mbukeli ngabe wena uthini ngalensizwa ehlukumeza abantu lapha eMzansi ithi iyofa nowase South Africa uthini ngayo njengoba sebeyitholile nje uthi kwenziwe njani ngayo abuyele ekhaya noma abhekane nesijezo njengoba sazi ukuthi ukusabisa umuntu noma uphatha isibhamu budedengu akuvunyelwe lapha eMzansi sizothanda ukudlula ke mbukeli kulelo phuzu singene laphana kwekaJacinta Mangobese Zuma lapho khona yena kade esitshela ukuthi kade ekhuluma nabezindaba noma nentatheli ezindaba ebikade imbuzo ukuthi nakho kuxoshwa abokufika kwamanye amadolobha kuthiwa kuhanjiswa kwasani wona amaphepha nongamaphepha kuthiwa nje buyela ekhaya kuthiwa Jacinta Zuma wena uthini mangase bese xoshwa nabanamaphepha yaphendula ke inkosazane lapho yathi wona amaphepha ongenamaphepha just go home ngezathu ke ayibekele ngithanda ukuthi mbukeli umlalelisisi bengabe echaza okuyona into engithathe kakhulu njengamanje.
Hi guys, so I just got a very interesting call from a journalist who told me that there is a place where they're chasing out all foreigners and they don't want any foreign nationals, whether documented or undocumented, and what is my take on it. And this is my honest and sincere answer, right? Because we always get people saying, oh, you are fighting people even if they're documented or undocumented. So documenting a person who's not from that country to come to a particular country is done for a reason. And here's the reason. If I wake up this morning and I decide I want to go on holiday to France, and I need to let the French people know of my intention to come to France on holiday, and then the French will ask me in a questionnaire, how long are you staying? Where are you going to be staying? Do you have enough money to stay here? And then when it's time to go back, are you going to be able to afford to go back? They do that because they don't want to let me come on holiday and then eventually I do not leave their country. So this is a safety measure that they put in place to protect their country from people who are coming into France to stay permanently, whereas they do not have an intention of going on holiday, for example. Now, with South African law, there's actually the same thing or similar, where if I want to come to South Africa as a foreigner, I have to go through the application process. In fact, one of the things that I'm supposed to have when I come to South Africa is medical insurance. Now, medical insurance means that as a foreigner, if I get sick in this country, I'm going to go and get treated in a private hospital in South Africa. Right. So the problem that we have in South Africa is the fine line between someone who's a foreigner and someone who's an illegal immigrant. So the word undocumented, they are using to gaslight us, trust. Because when they say undocumented, they are running away from the fact that there are people who are in this country illegally. And by illegally, we mean that they have broken the laws of this country to be in this country. For example, someone from Mozambique, Malawi, Zimbabwe, etc. comes into South Africa with a passport and they start working. And then that person says that they are documented, which is false, because a passport is a traveling document. It allows you only to travel into South Africa. You get a stamp, you stay for those days that they've given you, and you go back. Funny enough, that stamp is 60 days, not 60 days and go back and get a stamp and go back and get a stamp. That's not how it's supposed to work. You're supposed to get a stamp and then in that period go back to your country. And you can't come back in, out, right? With different stamps. You send your stamps to the border to get stamped and come back and then decide it's a reason to stay in the country. That is also breaking the laws of the country. As much as Zimbabweans think that having a passport means that they are documented, because I know they are the loudest. You do not have a right to stay in South Africa and work and do all these things just because you... Now, how do you think? And it's these people that always think that they are the biggest Africans over the rest of us.
Uthatha kanjani umbono kaJacinta Zuma? Umntwana unezathu zakhe ngale campaign yeMarch and March nokuthi abahambe babuyisele emakhaya abukufika onamaphepha nongenamaphepha. Izathu zakhe zivalid noma zi-invalid. Sidluleke lapho sihlabele phambili mukele ngaphandle kokuchithela isikhathi asikho sedliwe intsha. Singene ke kamacingwane ungeze umlando ovuka umchunu. Ungeze umlando ovuka umchunu kuthe mekumenyezelwa ukuthi ama Metro FM azoba nama awards ase nominator abaculi bakaMaskandi. Ungeze umlando ovuka umchunu into nje ethi Mkhaya ethi Maskandi ethi Bhinqa, leyo nto uyifake ngaphansi kwekhwapha lakhe, uyena oyigubazele kanjena njengenkosi yamabhinqa emkhakheni yonke nje thinta into enamabhinqa. UMaskandi owamabhinqa siyakwazi lokho. Ungezwe umlando uvuka umchunu uthe ya Metro FM Awards, ama Metro noma iMetro ufaka kanjani uMaskandi entweni zawo ukuze uzozuza uMetro njengoba mekuvotwa uye kuzuze abahleli bemicimbi. Manje kungani benominator abaculi bakaMaskandi abangabadlali abangabaphakamisi kodwa bazoba nominator entweni zabo? Bayazuza amabhinqa ayavota make nje wahambisa iartist alisupportayo azofika vote lapho. Ungizobe ichitha lento ethi cha angadliwa amandla amabhinqa ekhona ebuka. Sibona ke manje kule video mbukeli esizokudedelela yona ngizomlando kaMchunu. Ungizomlando mfowethu kaMchunu usehlonzwe njengexoki iwona amabhinqa asethi hawu ndoda. Kanjani ke manje njengoba sebonakala ngizomlando kaMchunu esekuveza ukuthi yena usesebenzisana nabo abahleli bomcimbi lona noma ama Metro FM Awards, njengoba echaza ukuthi yena sekukhona kutholile okuwenza ukuthi asebenzisane nabo labantu. Kodwa ke mbukele ukuze uzomuzwa kahle ngcono wena uyibambe kuyona ivideo.
Ningizimu Afrika ngibingelela kakhulu emndenini wamabhinqa njengomongameli wamabhinqa. Igama lami ngongizwe umlando wasemachunwini. Ngishabashekise inkululeko yabantu omnyama obhinqayo nozaziyo ukuthi imvelaphi yakhe ithini. Okubaleke kakhulu ukuthi njengamanje sisemkhankasweni onzima kakhulu la kusuka khona isimo esidala sencindezelo siba sesimene esisha. Okubalekile njengamanje ngime lapha phambi kwenu njengomuntu owaphumela obala waveza ukukhathazeka kwakhe ngesimo esenzeka emhlabeni wamabhinqa. Sithola amabhinqa being used, by other stations and other businesses, but they don't take care of amabhinqa. Ziningi nje inkampani. Uma ungabuza nje ukuthi KFC abantu abathenga KFC bangakanani abangamabhinqa. Kodwa ukwazi ubone ngisho eyodwa KFC iqase umcimbi wamabhinqa, including SA Breweries, including Bidvest, including Unilever, asikaze sibone. Inkampani ke ibhazi ukusupport amabhinqa ama network mhlawumbe kungaba uMTN no Telkom. Nakhona kusuke kwenziwe umfowethu ulokujana iBeef Master uGay Mpukanqobo. So iBeef Master ke iphoqeke nayo ukwazi kulokho. Iphoqa izinto zenzeke. So njengamanje ke la ngimi khona ngimi njengomongameli ukuthi benginilwela ngikhalaza ngokuthi amabhinqa awakwazi ukunominatewa istage esingawudlala umculo wamabhinqa. Sisoka lapho kwala sisoka khona. And mangilwa lokho and futhi kuyiqiniso. Nestage savuma ukuthi kuyiqiniso. Nabahleli bomcimbi wase ICC bavuma ukuthi kuliqiniso. Nama organizers of the event bavuma ukuthi lokho kuliqiniso. Kodwa sithe mangabe sesihleli phansi sesikhuluma no station manager. Ngijabulile ukuthi intokazi yaseFryhead futhi ikhulele kwaNongoma. Ngajabula ukuthi mina hawu itesi sabelungu sothi potash wa siphethwe intokazi yalapha. Ngajabulela lokho. Sabe kwi conference meeting ne management yonke yase Metro FM saphinde futhi kanye nabahleli bomcimbi la bangibekele esithombeni bathi i-transformation is not an overnight thing, which I know. Kodwa bathi kade siqalile thina i-transformation siwuMetro FM ngoba siubonile uMaskandi ukuthi awusewona uMaskandi nje lo okuthiwa kugujwa amasiko, akuthiwa sikhuphi masiko la. We are the music genre. We are the industry that need to be respected. Akumnandi ukubona osaliwa belele emhosheni belele phapha belele ngaphandle kwezitadium ngama avancer abo kunuku ikhwapha kunuku igusu kunuku ikhwapha kunuku igusu kunuku imbadada kunuku ikhwapha yonke le nto leyo yabona kubangwe iKFC ibhakede lilodwa. Le nto leyo is an insult to my society as a leader. Mina ke njengomongameli ekulweni kwami angangigxeko ngigxekayo kodwa bengilwela igama elifana nse nomntwana ophinda ngene. Mina I am the president of the Bhinqa Nation appointed by His Majesty King Mr. Zulukoza Luthini. As I'm standing here, I want to honor Metro FM. I want to honor the organizers of the event to tell you straight that we have came to the conclusion and they've told me that they've written to an ICASA because it's now the transformation period of our lifetime. The transformation started le eMpumalanga, eMbombela, la ehostwe khona ama Metro FM Music Awards. La basho khona straight ukuthi uMaskandi thina siqalile ukuthi si transform, siyawu interviewer noma singenalo ilungelo lokudlala ngoba siyawubona ukuthi is becoming a most popular music in South Africa and we can't ignore that. Ingakho amabhinqa siwaqashile abayingxenye yani na yomcimbi wama Metro FM Music Award obusempumalanga ngonyaka odlule. La sabona khona uMthandeni SK eperformer noLwandle Nkulu. Lokho kukodwa kwakuveza ngokusobala ukuthi i-transformation has begun. Ngiyakubonga lokho. Ngawushayela ihlombe kakhulu uMetro FM ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi wazi ukuthi uma ufuna ukubuyisa indlovu uqala ngenqina. Ubambe lilodwa nomunye abambe lisemumva. La amabili azoyiwela. Ngakho ke mina njengomongameli wamabhinqa ngibhalelile iCASA, ngayibhalela iSABC board ukuthi ngiyacela i-agent meeting. Nami ngicela bengihloniphe njengomongameli wamabhinqa. They must not treat me as their ex-employee. Never. And I repeat, they must not do that. Because that is very dangerous. Because when I'm in charge of this country, I will remind them lokho ke kuzobe ngasangifanele njengomholi ngoba umholi akathi ukutheli. You don't get on stage and be angry. You don't lead people and be angry. You negotiate and then you engage. And then into ebalekile njengamanje bathe mabekwenza lokho bancoma bathi into esiyithandayo sekuna noMaskandi okuthiwa yiWoolies. uMaskandi okwazi uku-associate urelate ne-youth nasema-universities kuno-Bhinqa Friday, kuno-Bhinqa Tuesday, ingoma Friday, ingoma Wednesday, yonke leyo nto leyo it shows ukuthi umndeni wami njengobaba wawo omabhinqa is highly successful. Ngokubhala kwami incwadi ngibhalelwe ikhasa uthi ikhasa why acknowledge. Ngokubhala kwami incwadi ngibhalela i-board management yase SABC ngisho ukuthi mina I'm raising my issues ukuthi asikwazi ukuzohlola impela phansi kwesihlahla nathi sicela ungena endlini ngoba how do you respect and honor a person ongamazi ukuthi udlala kanjani ngoba we need a playlist. Asisho ukuthi cela uhlelo likaMaskandi. We need ukuthi ube playlisted uMaskandi we Metro FM and to other urban stations including iGagazi iye eKwaZulu-Natal. Therefore, as a president of the Bhinqa Nation, we have agreed, we have concluded, and I admire the event. I am saying and declaring today that all the Bhinqa Nation at large and all Maskandi at large, those who have resisted and those who have honored and continued with the program of Amabhinqa, I say today, kubo bonke Amabhinqa, ngicela siphelele emcimbini wase Metro FM Music Award. Inkosi yenu izobe khona. Ukulwa kwami engulwile kube ukulwa kuhle. Siqobile Mabhinqa.
Ichunu ulithatha njengomuntu onjani? Ngabe uyalisola na ukuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa amacingwane nansi imvala mlomo nasi isinkwa hambisa ekhaya sondela sisebenze phuma kulomqondo ukuthi amabhinqa awangasondeli kulento ongenelile umculo nomuntu nethiwe akaphume ngabe manje uyahlaba yini ichunu ngokuthi livume ukuthi lifumbathiswe ukuze nalo lizoba ingxenye yalomcimbi awuthandi mhlawumbe ukuthi uze ukuthi umacingwane usathini ngabaculi ababenominathiwe kade ethi abaphume njoba naye esephakathi ingakho ke umacingwane kunezinkulumo eziningi esithiwa uyixoki ngalokho osekwenzeka kodwa ke mbukeli wena uyibona kanjani ake sibambe ezogcina lapha mbukeli lapho khona uphakela umthakathi umfokandaba etshelekwe kaBhoqo umalema lona olusana nawo wonke umkhankaso othinta uphakela umthakathi nenkosazana Jacinta Zuma nedudula eholwa uZandile Dabula okhona lapha edolobheni noma ongaphansi kweGauteng umkhankaso lona ophushwa ukuthi kuhanjiswe abokufika lapha eMzansi. uJulius Malema ke uthi cha abokufika kusekhaya labo lana eSouth Africa njengoba njena bekade uphakela umthakathi ihambeni ongizwe beIslandani beyolala sona isihlava sabantu bokufika namanje okuyinto esaqhubeka uphakela umthakathi ke emva kwezinkulumo kaMalema ekeza qhamuka emva kwalo mkhankaso ezingehli kahle kuphakela umthakathi usevela umqonda ngqo uphakela umthakathi eqonda uMalema uthi indoda kade wangiqala ngifaka umusu unisweni.
Malema, you are letting this country down. The things you say and the things you do, you are slowly becoming the enemy of South Africa. You must know that. Sanibona ma-South Africans, ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila bafowethu, sanibona kwaZulu, sanibona kwaNongoma, sanibona iZululand. Ngane zawethu, ngiyaqala namhlanje ukwenza ivideo nge-EFF. Ngiyaqala namhlanje ukwenza ivideo ngoMalema. Kodwa ngibona ukuthi sekuyisikhathi bafowethu ngoba okubuhlungu labaholi bane platform yokuthi uma bekhuluma belalelwe umhlaba wonke belalelwe nabantu bakwamanye amazwe abafani nathi silalelwe abantu bangakithi nje ibhlungu into eyenziwa yi-EFF eSouth Africa. I-EFF noMalema njengamanje bayisitha se-South Africa. I-EFF noMalema bayakhombisa ukuthi they were part of selling this country for personal gains. They were part of selling this country to their friends. Bebuye bezoma phambi kwabantu Malema, thousands and thousands of people, and promised them lies. uMalema udesperate. Iqembu lakhe ulibulele. The man had a potential. The man had a chance. But ngenxa yokuthi usebenzela isisu sakhe ne-ego yakhe wayibulala i-EFF wayiqeda. Manje uyiqedile i-EFF ufuna ukuthi kufe nabantu base-South Africa. Bafowethu uma ngabe kuthiwa abantu bakwamanye amazwe abadocument befakwe kulelizwe abala eSouth Africa abantu bazokwenza njani? uMalema lo monakalo ongako wenziwa ama foreigners la eSouth Africa akawuboni. Lo monakalo ongaka owenziwa ngabantu bokufika kulelizwe akawuboni. Njengomholi uma ekhombisa yena ukulahla ithemba ukuthi ayisekho into engenzeka ngcono sivele sibavumele labo bantu, unikeza liphi ithemba kumuntu oyilunga le-EFF wala eSouth Africa ohluphekayo njengamanje ongasebenzi ngenxa yokuthi imisebenzi eminingi, ngisho ama-spaza shops lawo, ngisho iy'todlwana lezi zasemakhaya seyithathwa ngabantu bokufika. Bantu base-South Africa, let us stop defending leaders. Let us defend the country. The country will always be here. Mina, I will pass away one day. Malema will pass away one day. Indoda isebenzisa unembeza ngaso sonke isikhathi. Indoda mayenza into isebenzisa unembeza noNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi. uMalema akangafuni ukuthi yena ngokubona ukuthi uyafa. Ne-EFF yakhe iyafa ebese funa ukufa nezwe lonke. Awukwazi ukutshela abantu ukuthi umuntu oselapha ngokungekho emthethweni. Okokuqala, we are glorifying this illegal foreigner thing. That's where we must stop. If something is illegal, it is against the law. You can't say anything positive about that thing because it is against the law. How can you be a leader and endorse illegal things? Why would you call yourself a leader when you are endorsing illegal things? Let us not glorify this illegal nonsense. All foreigners must leave this country, all of them. And those with proper documents can be rechecked because siyazi ukuthi Home Affairs have been doing a dodgy business in this country. We are saying everyone must get out. We will recount them when they are coming in. So what kind of a leader would go against his own people, his own brothers and sisters, just to impress the neighboring countries? Why don't you just go back to your country? Because everything you are doing, it just shows that you are not from this country. You were planted in this country to come and destabilize this country. That's why we were the first. Thina saqala ngokubona ngoMalema ukuthi umuntu omdala uyethuka. Seqala ukubona ngoMalema ukuthi uyakwazi ukuqonda uPrime Minister wakwaZulu. Umqonde nje umthuko. Ku702 abantu abaningi abangamaZulu they don't even know ukuthi uMalema used to have an interview with umntwana waphinda ngena kuyi702 amthuke live and umntwana waphinda ngena has never told us that, but we know so uthi uMalema kukhona ama whites illegal foreigners la ezweni. Okay, let's say Akon. He knows that, and he is a leader, and he is not doing anything about that. And when the community stand up to ukusebenza lento abantu abayibonayo bona, and then the leader is going to come counter attack that action yabantu. Whoa. Uthi, I will repeat this. I want you to listen to me properly. Bafowethu, uthi Malema la eSouth Africa bakhona nabelungu abala kulelizwe ngokungekho emthethweni. Kusho umholi. Usho umholi that has been in the governance for more than 25 years. He says he knows that there are illegal white immigrants in this country, and he has done nothing about it. Now that abantu bakithi bayasukuma bathi thina emalokishini la sihlala khona, because thina sihlali phela eSandton la kuhlala khona ama white illegal immigrants, sihlala emalokishini, sihlala eMjondolo thina. We are talking about our situations eMjondolo, and then the leader counter attacks that. Who are you representing, Malema? Who are you representing? Why are you taking this country down? You made your deals, Baba. Deal with your deals. Don't involve the community of South Africa. We are changing this country. You like it or not. If you sold it, that sale has expired, Bafowethu. That sale, whoever sold this country for whatever reason, that sale has expired. We are here now. We want this country back. We want to have our own freedom in our own country without being shoved and blocked by people from their countries who ran away, who can't stand up as men and face the challenges of their countries. We are also poor in this country. We also got our own problems in this country, but we can't run away from this country. We have to deal with these problems. We have to teach ingane zethu to be strong and face the problems. We can't run away and go hide in other countries and start disrespecting other people from that country or the people of that country. So, sicela ukusho ukuthi obonayo ukuthi kunabelungu eOrania akahamba yosebenza into yabelungu eOrania. Thina okwamanje sisebenza lokhu. Obonayo ukuthi kunamandiya ePhoenix enza izinto ezithile. Please, izwe likhulu. We can't do everything. Go and fix that problem that you see. Obonayo ukuthi kunamasulumane kuphi na kuphi na kuphi. Ingakho size sathi idolobha nedolobha emadolobheni abasukume bonke abantu emadolobheni belwe nendaba yabantu bokufika. Ngoba ngeke wonke umuntu abantu ababodwa besebenza into eyodwa bonke. If you see ukuthi there's a problem in the white suburbs, ucabanga ukuthi kunama foreigners are illegal. Sebenza phela leyo nto leyo because you've been in government for so long and you've been overlooking these things. Now that we have taken up to the streets, and when as a leader you want to counter attack that and you say you are representing people, Malema, you are letting this country down. The things you say and the things you do, you are slowly becoming the enemy of South Africa. You must know that.
Besishilo ke mbukeli mekuthi uyalithanda uhlelo esikulethela ngalo indaba uyovusuyilike ivideo bese subscribe uma ungakazi usubscribe. Sifisa ukubona ukuthi mesingase sishintshe indlela ebesenza ngayo, mhlawumbe sibuyele kulesi manje sizama ukukhula. Wena lokho kukuphatha kanjani usikulethela indaba ezahlukahlukene ngesikhathi esisodwa kwivideo A1. Sibonge ithuba, sibonge ukuba kanye nawe, siphinde sihlangane kumanye amavideo.